Then side haul to starboard. Guest to port, raised. Stack washer and dryer. Guest head to just to port of the starboard side haul. There's no down cuddy on this boat. Master, king, granite and tile in the master, his and hers, shower, and that's pieced together because sometimes it's hard. It's not pieced together. It's a continuous flow, and sometimes it's hard to piece together when you're just looking at pictures. So master aft, side haul starboard, guest with, you have 2 full baths, no tubs, just stand-up showers, washer dryer, cuddy up, cuddy down, and then we'll go outside. 10-foot bow, 2 ceiling fans, 2 speakers, 2 feet wide steps, 2 feet wide, 1 foot deep steps, 24-foot party top, hard top, bar, TV, refrigerator with ice maker, satellite TV, 4 ceiling fans, and then forward you have the new style bridge with a half tower with a canvas cover. There's your party top, your party deck. All the way aft you have a 4.5-foot swim platform with 2 jet ski ramps, electric, and you have a 9.5-foot aft deck with 3 hatches for the engines. I'm doing a little cleaning right now, a little bilge cleaning. 5.0s, 20 kW Westerbeek that gives you powers 2 hydraulic thrusters.